Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Amma. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to physics
Good
session.
evening, sir.
Good evening, Amma. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to physics session. Last class, any doubts? Last class, any doubts?
No, sir.
Is it clear, everybody? Units, any doubts? Units and errors and significant figures, any doubts? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now, today we are going to discuss dimensional and dimensional formulas. What is the dimension? What is the dimensional formula? We are going to discuss today. After that, we are going to discuss numerical problems. Based on this concept, we are going to discuss numerical problems. Okay, now this is our today class. Now, dimensional dimension and dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. So dimension, first we are going to discuss dimension. So dimensions are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are rises are raised to represent a specific physical quantity. A physical quantity. Example. Any doubt this dimensional statement? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts the dimensional?
No, sir.
So we are going to, what is the power we are going to, what is the fundamental quantity we are going to discuss? For example, here I would like to take force. Force is equal to the product of mass into acceleration, already we know. So here the mass is a fundamental quantity only, no need to change. And acceleration derived quantity, this derived quantity converting to fundamental quantity. So how to convert? Acceleration is equal to the changing velocity by changing time. Changing velocity nothing but length divided by time, whole divided by time. So total acceleration is equal to length divided by time into this time scale. So this one shall I write length into time power minus 2. Shall I write acceleration is equal to, shall I write? Hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
So that's why this acceleration is equal to length into time power
-2.
minus 2. Now these all are fundamental. See, so the fundamental quantity, the dimensions are the power to which the fundamental. So which are fundamental? Mass also fundamental and length also fundamental, into time also fundamental, power minus 2. What is the one, what is the sum here? Power. Here the mass power 1, length power 1, time power minus 2. Here the dimension according to the statement, dimension of force, one is the here mass dimension 1 in mass. Here mass power how much am I here? 1. So and here 1 per 1 in length and minus 2 in
Time.
time. This one we called here a dimension. Now dimensional formula of force, so denoted by capital D of F is equal to dimensional of force is equal to here the m power, this fundamental notation, mass notation m, length notation L, time notation T. Here the power, here the power 1, here the power 2, sorry, power 1, m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. These all are power. Now this one we called here the dimensional formula, this we called dimension. Did you understand what I'm saying here? It means this powers called dimension, this total is called dimensional formula for more. So you must be right always dimensional formula, this square bracket only. If you write like m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2, this is not a dimensional formula. Whenever you put only square bracket, this one we called dimensional formula. Please note down that point. Did you understand what I'm saying here? Did you get what I'm saying here? Did you get what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
One more example I'm going to tell you. So energy, so dimensional formula. So energy dimensional formula. So here the another example number 2, energy dimensional formula. So here the energy is equal to, I would like to take kinetic energy. That energy is equal to kinetic energy, nothing but half mv square. It means half constant. The no need to write this constant one. So here the m nothing but mass, and yes v is nothing but length divided by here the time whole square. Now this one fundamental, this one fundamental, this one fundamental. First here the mass into length power 2 square is there na, into time power minus 2. Now mass power, this one you may write m power 1 into L square into T power minus 2. Now this powers is called dimensional. Dimensional formula of energy is equal to, always you may write dimensional formula of energy is equal to m power 1 L power 2 T power minus 2. Now understood? Now getting now getting
Yes,
hello?
sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Homogeneity. So in first, here the two cases there. First case, we can multiple physical quantity with same or different dimension. It means C is equal to multiple A into B. So here A and B can have same or different dimension. It means A you may take mass, B you may take different also, no problem. Same or different. So another one time. If you A you may take here the force, B you may take intensity, and A you may take here the energy, and here you may take torque, like that. Whether you may take here mass, no problem. Here force, no problem. But same or different, it means this value dimensional of C should be is equal to dimensional of A. If you take here the A and B, if you same, if you take here A also mass, B also mass, then dimensional of A is equal to dimensional B, that should be is equal to dimensional of C. If you take A mass, B another one, it means time, that case here the not equal, here the not equal. Could you follow me what I'm saying here? Could you follow me what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
So now second one, here the second case, we can not add or subtract, add or subtract physical quantity or quantities which have different dimensions. So it means C is equal to A add or minus nothing but subtracting A plus nothing but add. So here A, B and C all must have same dimension, same dimension. It means A mass, B also take mass, must be same, both are also mass. So or A you may take energy, B must be energy. A you may take here the torque, B also you must be take torque. It means dimension of C should be is equal to dimension of A should be is equal to dimension of B. Any doubts? Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now any doubt
Yes, sir.
about these cases?
No, sir.
Now dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis. These are various ways in which dimensions of a physical quantity can be used in different applications. So here the first application, here total 4 applications is first application, conversion of units. One by one we are going to discuss. And second one, checking the correctness of a physical relation. And third one, establishing a relation between different physical quantities. Now fourth one, finding the dimension of a physical constant, physical constant. One by one we are going to discuss. First we are going to discuss conversion of units. Conversion of units. First of all, we are going to discuss first application, conversion of units. So conversion of units nothing but conversion. One system conversion to the another system. For example, SI system converting to CGS, CGS system converting to SI system. This type of units we call here conversion of units. Conversion of units. It means amount any physical quantity can be expressed as Q is equal to N into U. Q is equal to N into U. So here the Q nothing but to amount of quantity and N is nothing but numerical, U is nothing but units. Already we discussed previous class. So as quantity is same, it means G is same. It means quantity same means G, this G is same in different system of units, it can be given as Q is equal to N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2 so and so. So here the is equal to constant because Q value every system is constant. Here U1 is called here the units in system 1. U2 is called units in system 2. Okay now. So here the example how to conversion one system to another system. For example, find the value of Young's double slit. So y is equal to 25 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. So in a CGS system or units. So it means Newton per meter square nothing but this is a SI system. They are asking in terms of here the CGS system. This value is called a numerical value. This one is called unit. So here the dimensional of Young double slit is equal. Sir, here we don't know not Young double slit to state. Sorry, what do you call Young's modulation formula? Sir, here we don't know Young's modulation formula. That formula it will come mechanical properties of solids. So here there is the first lesson units and dimension only. But even though here no need to study statement, but you know you hear the units na. This Newton for meter square nothing but Newton nothing but dimensional of force and meter square nothing but dimensional of length square. Length square is dimensional force value we know M L T power minus 2. This is the dimensional of force. Dimension of length nothing but L. Your square is nothing but L square. This is the dimensional. After simplification, you will get M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. This is called dimensional of Young's modulation. Young's modulation. From this one, we are going to discuss conversion. Here the how to conversion. So here the conversion, how to convert, we are going to discuss. See here, everybody. See. So here the dimensional of Young's modulation is equal to M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Now here the Here the SI system should be is equal to CGS system, because already we know Q same, that's why N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. N1 U1 nothing but SI system, N2 U2 nothing but CGS system. Here the N2 they asking N2 is equal to N1 U1 divided by U2. So U2 nothing but to CGS system. Here you may substitute. So here the dimensional, which dimensional here the n1 nothing but here the merit n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. Here the n1 nothing but 25 into 10 to the power of 10, u1 nothing but this is the u1 into m into L power minus 1 T power minus 2 should be is equal to n2 they asking. Here also units m into L power dimension n power minus 1 T power minus 2, but here the m nothing but 25 into 10 to the power of 10, m nothing but here the kg, L nothing but here the meter power minus 1 meter. So here second nothing but 1 second power minus 2 should be is equal to n2 into this easiest units nothing but here the m nothing but in terms of 1 gram, here L nothing but into 1 centimeter per minus per 1 into 1 second power minus 2. Now you may cancel here the before, don't cancel this m and this m, this L power minus 1, the L power minus, because this is a SI system, this is a CGS system. So here you may convert in grams, here you may convert into centimeter. 25 into 10 to power of 10 into 1000 into 100 power minus 1 is equal to n2 here into grams into centimeter power minus 1 into 1 gram into 1 centimeter power 1. This one, now this centimeter power 1, this gram can cancel, then this gram also cancel. Final value 25 into 10 to power of 10 into 1000 into 10 to the power of 100 power minus 1 nothing but 1 by 100. This one, this two zeros cancel, is equal to n2. So 25 into 10 to the power of 10 into remaining value 10, here the n2, now n2 is equal to 25 into 10 to the power of 11. This value in CGS force units to dyne per meter, CGS units centimeter square. Now this is a CGS value. It means conversion. Before n1 is equal to 25 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton for meter scale. This one now conversion, one system to another system, or one unit to another unit conversion. Did you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now second application. Now here the second application. What is the second application here? Checking dimensional correctness of a relation. So tomorrow morning we have class, amma. Okay na? Tomorrow morning 7:30 to 8:30 we are going to discuss numerical problems. The last 2 days we didn't discuss na.
Yes, sir.
That's why don't miss it. Tomorrow morning 7:30 to 8:30 we have class. That time we are going to discuss numerical problems. Topic name, units and dimensions. Okay na? Did you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please inform your friends also. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is done on the basis of principle of homogeneity and for any given relation by homogeneity, the dimensions of physical quantities on both side of equality are always same. Also remind very first one, powers are always dimensionless. For example, x power a, here the a is dimensionless. And second one, all trigonometric ratio, it means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, so and so, and exponential values, e power general values and trigonometric values, e power theta, e power a, and logarithmic values. So it means log x comma log a by b, so and so. So are also dimensionless. Are also dimensional less. Dimensional less. So you should remember here. One more third point. We can add or subtraction quantities which have same dimensional, whether addition or subtraction. So here the subtraction quantities which have same dimensional. Based on this concept, we are going to discuss one example problem also. An example problem. Any doubt on that theory? Checking dimensional? Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Example. Check the dimensional correctness of the relation V is equal to U plus AT, where V and U is called speed and A is called acceleration, T is called time. So here the by principle of homogeneity, dimensional of LHS is equal to dimensional of RHS. So here the LHS nothing but dimensional of speed V is equal to dimensional of here the U, that should be equal here plus nothing but here should plus nothing but here the is equal to dimensional of A into dimensional of T square. Dimension of T square. So speed dimensional L into T power minus 1. This is the dimensional. This LHS is equal to this speed nothing but here also L power minus 1. Now is equal acceleration dimension L into T power minus 2. Now time here nothing but T square. Now this T square cancel. Here the L only. Here the dimension satisfy, here the dimension satisfy, but this is the not satisfy. Given equation dimensionally incorrect. Did you understand what I'm saying here? Did you understand what I'm saying here? Did you understand what I'm saying here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So given equation dimensional correct or not? If LHS is equal to RHS, correct only. But LHS is not equal to here RHS, na?
Yes, sir.
So these two are satisfied, but this one not satisfied. That's why this equation, given equation, dimensionally incorrect. Whether they asking, for example, they will give any equation, simply they will ask dimensional correct or not. So how to check like this? Did you get what I'm saying here? Did you get what I'm saying here? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please respond. Any doubts, Amma?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now third application. Establishing relation between different physical quantities if we know the factors or factors, another one is another other physical quantities on which a physical quantity depends principle of homogeneity, we can deduce a relations among the physical quantity. For example, here the example, you're not satisfied sufficient space. So example, here the example, if time period of simple pendulum depends upon the mass of bob m and length of string L and acceleration of acceleration due to gravity G, then they find the expression of for its oscillation period. So T is value they ask oscillation period. So solution, according to this question given data, T is directly proportional to M. Immediate M power here the A, we don't know here the power. First we are going to find the powers, and T is directly proportional to length power B, and T is directly proportional to acceleration power C. It means commonly these three equations I'm going to write to T is directly proportional to M power A, here the L power B, here the G power C. So T is equal to K into M power A, L power B, G power C. So here now I'm going to find these powers. So how to find this power we are going to discuss. According to principle of homogeneity, so dimensional of LHS is equal to dimensional of RHS. LHS only T, dimensional of T should be is equal to, here the K value no need to write in dimensional because K is nothing but here the constant dimensional or dimensional less quantity is equal to D into only M power A and L power B and G power here the g power c. So this is the dimensional. So here the dimensional of time is nothing but m power 0, l power 0, t power 1. That should be is equal to, here the mass dimensional m power a only. Here the length l power b only. Here the acceleration dimensional l into t power minus 2. This value you may substitute into l into t power minus 2 whole power c. This is the dimensional of RHS. So m power a, l power b, l power c, t power minus 2c. So here the m power a bases are same. You should add powers b plus c, t power minus t. This is a right side dimensional formula. Right side dimensional formula. So in the left side dimensional formula, you may compare. Here the m, here also m. So you should equal to powers. It means a is equal to 0. Now second one, here also l, here also l. You should equal to power. Plus c is equal to 0. Here the b is equal to minus c. So here the minus 2c is equal to here the 1. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. This c value you may substitute here. B is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 1. But these three values you may substitute here. What happened? T is equal to k into m power 0, L power 1 by 2, and g power minus 1 by 2. It means T is equal to k into root of L by g is called here the establishing relation between the different physical quantities. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
So in last one, last application, the last application, finding dimension, finding dimension, finding, finding dimension of a physical constant, physical constant. If the expression, if the expression in which a physical constant is being used is known to us, then using homogeneity principle, we can find the dimensions of that quantity or sorry constant. We can find the dimension of that constant. Example, based on this concept, one example, the viscous force between layers of a flowing fluid is given by F is equal to minus eta into A into dV by dx. Here the dV by dx is called velocity gradient. Velocity, here the gradient, and A is called area of layer, and eta is called coefficient of viscosity, and Fe is called viscous force, viscous force. So find the eta, Find the eta. This is the question. So by homogeneity equation, left RHS is equal to dimension of LHS is equal to RHS. So in LHS only, here the F dimensional of Fe is equal to dimension of eta into dimensional of area into dimension of dV by dx. So from this equation, I'm going to write. So here the dimensional of force nothing but m into L into T power minus 2 already we know. So is equal to dimensional of eta. We are going to find dimensional of eta only into dimensional of area nothing but here the L square and dimensional of V delta V is dV. V is nothing but here the L into T power minus 1 and divided by dx nothing but L. This L get cancelled. So here the m into L T power minus 2 should be equal to dimensional of eta into L square into T power minus 1. So here the after simplifying here dimensional of eta is equal to m L T power minus 2 divided by here the L square T power minus 1. This is a final dimensional. So here the m into L power minus 1 T power minus 1. This dimensional is called constant quantity or physical constant, because here eta is called coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity nothing but constant, physical constant, right? Could you follow me what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
I think everyone know 10 to the power of 12 nothing but this one, 10 to the power 12 nothing but here the tera denoted by letter capital T. 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of 9 giga denoted by letter G, capital G. 10 to the power of 6 mega, capital M. 10 to the power of 3 kilo, capital sorry kilo. Kilo means small k. And 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 2 hecto, H denoted by letter notation H. 10 to the power of 1, can anybody tell me? Deci, chemist also there, I think so. DA. No or not? Do you know this one or not? And deci completed. Deci completed. Not deci here. Deca. Deci nothing but 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1. Deci denoted by letter D. 10 to the power of minus 2. Centi. Centi denoted by letter CM. 10 to the power of minus 3. Milli. Milli. Here small m. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Be online, everybody. Power off. Okay, power came. So 10 to the power of minus 6 milli micro mu. 10 to the power of minus 9 nano small n. 10 to the power of minus 12 pico small p. 10 to the power of minus 15. What is the name? Femto. OR Fermi. This one already we discussed. Fermi is equal to in atomic structure we discussed na. One Fermi
Yes,
is equal to 10 to the power of minus
sir.
15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Based on this concept now, any doubts, units and dimensions? Okay, na? Any doubts, Amma? Units and dimensions?
No, sir.
Okay, na? Now we are going to discuss numerical problems. Numerical problems. Please be online. Now, shall I share file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Everybody able to see?
Yes, sir.
See, NEET 2019 question. First question, NEET 2019 question. In the chapter, every year, pakka one question. Okay, now. So, what they asking first question? In an experiment, the percentage error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3%, and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage error in measurement of X where maximum percentage, nothing but percentage error they asking. Percentage error they asking. So here, shall I remove this or shall I stop sharing? Because how to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So I'm going to stop sharing. Now, here what they given amma? Delta A by A into 100 is equal to 1 because they given 1%, nothing but delta A by A into 100 is equal to 1. And delta B by B into 100 is equal to 2 they given. And delta C by C into 100 is equal to 3 they given. And delta D by D into 100 is equal to, they given here the 4. What they given amma here expression? What they given expression? That X is equal to A power
Yes,
2 A square,
B
B
power 1
power
by
how much?
2.
How much amma B power?
1 by 2.
B power 1 by 2 divided by C power how much amma?
1 by 3.
1 by 3 and D power how much amma?
3. 3.
3. So yesterday already we discussed Z is equal to A power P B power Q divided by C power R. C power R. So here the delta Z by Z is equal to P into delta P A by B A by A plus this power into Q into delta B by B plus R into delta C by C. So here only 3, but here they given 4. So you may write here the D power PQRS. It means here the plus S into delta D divided by D. Okay, na? Similarly, here P nothing but here the 2, here Q nothing but here half, here R nothing but 1 by 3, S nothing but here the 3. Similarly, here the what delta X by X is equal to, shall I write 2 into delta A by A
Yes, sir.
plus 1 by 2 into delta B by B Q nothing but this 1 by 2 R nothing but 1 by 3
1 by
plus
3.
1 by 3 into delta C by C
Delta C plus.
plus 3 into delta D by D. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So this value we don't know, but we know delta A by A into 100 is equal to, we know 1. So that's why in both side multiply 100, both side multiply 100. It means delta x by x into 100 is equal to 2 into delta A by A into 100 plus 1 by 2 into delta B by B into 100 plus 1 by 3 into delta C by C into 100 plus 3 into delta D by D into 100. Now this value they given 1. Now this value they given 2. Now this value they given 3. Now this value they given 4.
4.
Substitute here. It means 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 plus 3 into 4. This one cancel. 2 into 1, nothing but 2 plus here the 1, here the also 1, 3 into 4, nothing but here the 12, final 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, this is the answer to the question. Check it option. Check it
So
option.
16.
Yes. Oh, 14. Sorry. 14, 13.
Sir,
Sir,
12,
12,
13.
13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, sorry. 16. The 16 percentage is the answer to the question. Please check it option, Amma.
And option, sir.
Did you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So like that, I'm going to share a file. Same model you may do. If same model you may do. See the question number. Second question. Please do it. Same model. Question number 3 also same model. Do it second question and third question. First of all, read the second question. Anyone? Please read. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Please read, Amma. Question number 2.
A physical quantity x is given by x equal to 2k cube L square by m root n. The percentage error in the measurements of k, L, m, and n are 1%, 2%, 3%, and 4% respectively. The value of x is uncertain by.
It means the value of x nothing but percentage error they asking. Okay, now. So your delta k by k into 100 is equal to 1 they given. Delta L by L into 100 is equal to 2 they given. Delta M by M into 100 is equal to 3 they given. Delta N by N into 100 is equal to 4 they given. So root n nothing but n power 1 by 2. Okay, now? Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Your x is equal to 2 into k cube L cube by m power 1 n power 1 by 2. You may take. So here 2 is a constant, no need to take 2 value. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So remaining problems we are going to discuss tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening class also. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Please don't miss it. Tomorrow morning 7:30 to 8:30 we have class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes,
Please
sir.
inform your friends also. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Today class, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you, Amma.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.